You're that person in that middle. You're the middle of the circle right next to the individual, welcoming in everybody else around them to say, all right, how do we help walk beside this person so they can live the life that they want?
We need to kind of take that step back and support the person and think of the person's wants and needs and supports.
Don't be afraid to do that type of thing, because that's really protecting the rights of the person you're supporting, and it's hard to do.
But if the person is truly having a mental health situation and having those symptoms, that behavioral kind of intervention doesn't always work, right?
They are a fantastic resource to help, that even if it's a general like, hey, I kind of have this need, but I don't really know what to do, they can help brainstorm.